Alright guys, so we're here in FL Studio and I'm gonna go to the kit. Let me pull up Xpand first. So here's Xpand, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Spawn kit that I made and run through a few of the sounds that's in it. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna clone this a couple of times. Alright. So that's the 444 piano that I created. Alright. I like that arp right there, so we're gonna rename this arp and give it a funky purple color. Alright, let's go to another sound that I like out of here. Let's use the string. Alright, we're gonna use that pad. Let's see. Rename pad. Alright, we're gonna put you in a nice color here. And then we're gonna also go to another sound that I like on here. Bell sounds that I like. Call it Bellish V. Alright, so gonna bring that note down because I didn't like the way I hit it, but I knew exactly what note I wanted to hit, so Gonna hit quantize on this. So we have the bellish sound, we have the pad sound, and we have the ARP. So basically I'm using the ARP for the melody. I'm using the pad as a layer for the bellish sound that I created. And basically that's just the start of the beat. So that's basically the beat. Sometimes I sidechain, but I don't sidechain the kick and the bass. I think I might do it just to kind of demonstrate it. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a limiter here, fruity limiter. Then what I'm gonna go to is the kick, and then I'm gonna right click here where this arrow is, and it's gonna say sidechain to this track. So you're gonna sidechain the kick and the bass, and basically you go back to the limiter, you go to the comp section, that's compression, and basically I would choose the gutter kick, that's my channel 1, and then I'm gonna mess around with the threshold and the ratio just a little bit. I don't think I really need it, so I'm just gonna add it in just, you know, for tutorial purposes. If you guys didn't know how to sidechain, but I think mostly everybody knows how to do it now. But for those who don't know, that's how you do it. So let's hear it. just did there was do a little bit of like stereo separation. So I guess these will be the side, this will be the top and the bottom. So I just did a little separation on a few of the sounds. Sometimes I like to do that just to give my sounds a different, space within the beat. And sometimes I use a lot of stereo shape, and that's one of the major keys into getting your sound sounding wide and sounding different within a track. You don't want to do it too much. Sometimes I've overdone it in beats to where it sounded like too much or it sounded like it didn't fit. So this ends this tutorial here. I hope that my tutorial was a quick little walkthrough on how to do a few things. The Spawn kit is a Xpand 2 preset bank that I created, and we also did some drum arranging. We arranged some sounds with those sounds that I created within the project. So if you guys are interested in any of those sounds that you heard, the information for this actual kit is going to be in the description below. Also, if you guys can subscribe to my YouTube page, it'd be greatly appreciated. If you have any feedback or if you have any comments on things that you would like to see in future tutorials, please leave that in the comments below, and I appreciate you guys. This is V Class Beats, and I'm out.